Wongo bongo, who's that little guy in the middle? It's the Prussian Congo. Why am I playing the Congo, you may ask? Well, somebody asked me to do it in the Discord server, which you have a link of in the description if you want to make suggestions. And yeah, I decided to play this one because I haven't played Red Flood in about 1.5 years, and I just realized that I don't even know the lore of this world. Who won World War I? Why are there two Irelands? Did the Austrian painter actually went to art school? And what the fuck did they do to my sweet Romania? Who the fuck did this? I bet this mod was made by a Hungarian. No, never mind. Hungary does not have a focus tree. And Belakun is spelling his name backwards in this universe? Is this a trend? Is Agent 007 called Bond James in this universe? Or will he be? I don't think he's a thing yet in 1936. Anyway, let's start our journey. Alone in the dark. Well, that sums up my love life pretty well. What? This is the same guy. He doesn't do anything. What kind of scam is this? Yeah, well, I guess I will take an industrial concern. This one is not that bad. Sorry for the interruption, but we just hit 5k subs. That's amazing. Thank you everybody for subscribing so far, but don't stop. The next goal is 8 million subscribers. Do you guys think we can make that happen before my birthday in February? I think that's pretty reasonable. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Also, check the Discord server and my Patreon in the description. It would help me a lot, even if you just click the links and take a look around. Thank you, and back to the video. Bruh, how the fuck is every single major power weaker, except fucking Italy? I mean, they are not much stronger, but they start by having Ethiopia conquered, and they own Tunisia. So that's something. I think I get it. Mussolini never took over the country, that's why. Oh wait, do they have Greece as a puppet? Oh no, they're in the same faction. Oh my fucking god. This is the most faction I've seen in this game so far. So we have Italy in the Entente together with Turkestan. Oh, it's an UK puppet. But how the fuck do they get here? How are they enforcing this? What the fuck? Oh, and we have the mandatory Iraq puppet, which is mandatory. Mandatory? You guys get it? Yeah, this is a very strange world. We can choose our leader. We have Hans Hutting? Oh my fucking god, this is that piece of shit from the New Order. I fucking hate this piece of shit. I'm gonna go with the other guy. And we can finally get some factories. We only have one. Ah yes, the cannon event. No matter what fucked up reality we're in, Spain always finds a way to get into a war with itself. A classic. France also swallowed the French part of Belgium, and it rebranded itself. Now it is Gaul, which yeah, it's a bit strange, but not as strange as Westralia. Was this like this since the beginning? Did Australia never unified in this reality? We are about to go to war in like 2 focuses, and I am only now building my first military factory because I have absolutely none. I don't think that the other Congos are doing any better. Oh my fucking god. Is this? It's a bicycle division in the wild, made by the AI. Oh, those are the Belgian army remains. Yeah, right, because Belgium doesn't exist anymore. I guess they scrapped everything they got left from the country. And that was a bicycle. Well, looks like a pretty good one. I wonder how it handles bullets though. It is time to go to war with the weakest country that we can. Most of my troops are not equipped at all because I do not have enough factories to produce more than one type of equipment. But that does not matter because I'm pushing really easy. This might be one of the events with the most text I've seen in this game, and I'm not reading all that shit. I will read those green numbers though. That I can do. Oh my fucking god, we got 3 more military factories. That's absolutely huge. Okay, next up we are wiping out the Belgians. Crush the Belgian misery, that's exactly what I said. The bicycles were no match for my machine guns. Extremely shocking, I know. Silly Belgians. Go cycle somewhere else. 1 more to go. They do have quite a sizable army though, so I will have to train some divisions first, so as not to get embarrassed on live television. Although this is not live television, and it's not embarrassing to be defeated by a highly superior force. It would be more like a massacre, and there is no pride in that. It turned out that I was the formidable force, and thus my victory is nothing honorable. I was the aggressor all along. Anyway, we have now unified the Congo under Prussian rule, I guess? But there is a Prussia. Yeah, I thought the communist Germany was all that was left, but no. Oh, and we are actually several times stronger than the real Prussia. Okay, that doesn't matter. What matters is that we have to do the end of the unification. We do have a little bit of the focus tree left, but I think we're gonna finish this by the mid of 38. If I remember correctly, this mod had that thing when it doesn't show you all the focus rays that you have and the new shit spawns in from time to time. But I'm not really sure about that, and if this is everything that we got, this is not gonna be enough for a whole video. I think this is only like 6 minutes, and that's unacceptable. I cannot put mid-rolls on something so short, so I hope there is more to this. Oh, okay, this is spicy. We have to make a choice between this branch and this branch, and as you can see we have 3 options, and this one looks unfinished, so of course I'm gonna click this. Oh, well, I waited a couple days and absolutely nothing happened, so I am just gonna pretend that everything is alright and I'm gonna continue my tree. Oh, hey, look, we're getting 4 sieves. That's good. And no, I'm not trying to distract anybody from the fact that I might have cucked myself from the focus tree. I have bad news, boys. I finished this and nothing happened. This is all. There is no more focus tree for me. But it doesn't end here because I have even worse news. Half of Russia is ruled by a fucking child. Oh no, wait. This is even worse. This is a woman. And the even worse part is that the other side of Russia is also ruled by a woman, which should be dead, but I guess that didn't happen here. Also, Romania is at war with itself and my side wins. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's Transylvania. Okay, I was about to have a heart attack. I thought this was Bulgaria. I don't know why Transylvania has a remixed Bulgarian flag, but they scared the shit out of me. But why the fuck does Romania only have claims on Moldavia, but Transylvania gets to have cores on everything? That's fucking strange. Let's not look here anymore. I started justifying on Gabon, but without a focus tree, I don't think I want to play this anymore. Oh my fucking god. Is this for real? There was a couple holding hands and kissing in public. Execute them. The shocker, they were born. Oh, wait. I will have no homophobia in my videos. They are not guilty. Did that have anything to do with giving me another focus tree? No, it doesn't seem like it. Okay, I have did a little bit of an investigation and there is no other focus tree coming. This is everything. The only thing I did by selecting the third option was cucking me out of either of those bonuses. And to say that it hurts me a lot, it's an understatement. So now that I know that I have nothing to lose, I am just gonna conquer a bunch of shit. Already started justifying on those two. I think I might want to conquer Germany. That sounds like a pretty good idea. I am already building a navy. It took me 6 months to get this one ship out. As you can see, this little slither here takes me 9 days to build. I had that event like in Kaiserreich and Kaiser Redux where you can release countries after I killed Gabon, and I had an option to release Equatorial Africa, and as the stupid motherfucker that I am, I clicked it hoping that I will get renamed to Equatorial Africa and core Gabon, but actually that I just killed myself and created a new nation. The best part about this is that I'm playing on Iron Man, so I will try to crash the game and see if I can come back before I click that decision. Okay, it did work. Well, Italy is at war with France. Oh, sorry, Gaul Ur. I forgot France is going through their GOT stage. I am trying to get military access from them so I can invade Germany via the sea, because I can definitely do that with my one ship. Well, Germany only has like 25 ships. It's gonna be very easy to get naval supremacy, but I am not gonna be able to, so I am gonna give them some guns. Maybe they will like me a little bit more. I don't actually think there is any other country that will give me military access. Yeah, all of those are -21 and only France is -20, so it's gonna be the easiest to get it from them. Also, my war goal is almost ready on this guy right here. I will like to get Nigeria, but there is a little problem, which is kind of all over the map, and I am not gonna name it out of spite. Now, this is getting interesting. The Kingdom of Romania won the war with Moldova, but they still don't core any Moldavian state, and yeah, Transylvania still cores everything else. So now Romania is at war with Transylvania, which is no longer a Hungarian puppet or in the German faction. Okay. None of the three nations had a focus tree, but something happened here. Hell yes, that Lend-Lease made wonders. I just hope I can keep this military access until I am ready. Let's also get a non-aggression pact, why not? I think I would actually like to join their faction. Maybe they're gonna go to war with Germany sometime. But I don't think that's possible in this mod, or at least there is not an option to join the faction here. Ah, fuck. That's the wrong guy, France. You almost got it right. It's just a little bit more to the right. Germany is also at war with Austria and Switzerland, and yeah, France just declared war on the Entente. I am actually really tempted to join them and take the British colonies, but judging by the number of ships that France has compared to the British, I don't think this war is ever gonna end. And also, I don't really trust France to hold against the British. Let's be serious here, this might be fantasy, but it cannot be that outlandish. So I guess we will just have to chill a little bit more. Now, what the fuck is this? I clearly have military access in France, but I cannot put my troops there. Why am I not allowed to do those? Ah, fuck no. My European landing base is getting attacked. Everybody just ganged on the poor thing. I'm so glad I did not join them. It was the best choice of my entire life on this earth. I am just so smart. But where the fuck will I find another European base? Absolutely nobody really likes me. I mean, yeah, this is kind of impressive, but I think it's a long shot to call it an empire. Why the fuck does this state look so much like Montenegro? I mean, can you guys see the resemblance? This is very uncanny. Literally 2 minutes after I said I am not gonna get anybody to let me get military access, Sweden just declared war on Germany. So I do have my natural ally right here. The only problem is they have two borders with the German faction, this part of Norway, and the border with Copenhagen. And they don't really have any divisions to speak of. So if they die, it's gonna be all for nothing. So I am just gonna start justifying on Denmark, because fuck them Danes. They are in the way. And let's just hope once the war goal is finished, I will be able to actually get military access and that Sweden is not gonna be dead. And there goes goal. Germany is now fucking huge. This is actually not even funny, and they got cores on all of Austria and Switzerland. They were nice enough to create a Czech state, but not nice enough to actually unite Ireland. They literally just took it all, while the other Ireland just sits there sad. Oh my fucking god, this man actually looks sad. I'm sorry for him. If I somehow manage to defeat this Germany, I will give him the rest of Ireland. Oh yeah, and also, this part of Norway is unpenetrable, at least with only one division. Ah, I see. Back to the status quo. They released a bunch of shit. Okay guys, the time is here. My justification is ready. I'm gonna declare war on Denmark, let some time pass, and now Sweden should actually let me have some military access. Perfect. Now I can send my armies there. Those are the divisions that I am using. I have 1.5 armies. I am training a lot more divisions. I have very good equipment, 1 million manpower. I am pretty much ready. I don't know if this is feasible for this mod, but I am gonna try it nonetheless. My army arrived. For some reason they deployed to this port. Oh, never mind. Actually, no, they can go here, I think. But they are just in time because Norway is about to be overrun. Some of my divisions did decide to go back to this island for some reason, but that's not important. Most of the army is here. So everything should go pretty smoothly. Well, actually there is no supply here, so that might be an issue. Let me just build a railway. I don't fucking know how this division got encircled. I don't understand how it had time to even be here. Like, the closest divisions to it only just arrived, so I don't know. I cannot fucking build a supply hub in foreign territory. This is not good at all. Also, my fucking railway got cancelled, I don't know why. But I just got my first encirclement. One singular horse. Oh, that's why my other army was not arriving here, because the fuckers got pushed. Also, I thought those divisions were in circles, so I started attacking them. Ah, shit. This is kind of bad. There is zero supply and my divisions are not that good actually. Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna fall back. Well, I guess I'm not gonna do anything because the game just fucking crashed. Okay, what I was trying to say was that I will just fall back to the Swedish capital. So this should be good. Well, fuck, I forgot my units cannot get to those ports because of fucking Denmark. So all my guys are going back home. I hope those troops are enough to hold everything. If not, we are in big trouble. I cannot believe I'm saying this, but the United Kingdom is here to save us. They declared, well, rather, Greece declared war on this fucked up Yugoslavia, I think, and they were in the British faction, so now Germany and Britain are at war with each other. I will ask them all for military access, and I will try to send my army there as soon as I can. Well, before shit hits the fan, you know? Oh my fucking god, the Netherlands are already dying. I don't think my troops are gonna get there. I can't believe they had no troops here. It's already over. Okay, I will relocate my armies to London now. Maybe I can do a naval invasion or something. Britain rules the seas, don't they? All those divisions are drained and out of supplies, so if I had a big enough army to do encirclements and also garrison the tiles behind me, I would do a lot of shit here. But it's not actually possible. My naval invasion actually landed in a port, but I really don't have high hopes for this, because Germany is a fucking monster, bro. They started building up militarily a lot, and also this Yugoslavia just became a major, and they have cores on the entirety of the Balkans. So they are also really fucking strong. On the other hand, my allies are just not. I don't fucking know where all the British manpower is. They only have 100k and like 60 divisions. There is absolutely no way France did that much damage to them, so I don't really know. Well, at least I took hold pretty well of this region. I am also gonna save my divisions from encirclement here. Well, I spoke too soon, I cannot push this tile at all. I also cannot even kill this division. Yeah, because they have 600 defense. Why the fuck do they only take 10% from encirclement? That doesn't seem right to me. I cannot really push any further, but it seems that I am holding this pretty well, so I am currently building some forts here to really make sure I'm not getting pushed. And I am just gonna kill a whole lot of communist Germans. So that was a big fucking lie. I am not able to hold anything at all. But I will stand true to myself and I will never pull out, not even if my life depends on it. I did not know this, but the US is also in the war. Not like they are doing anything. Oh wait, no, actually they are invading Norway. Yeah, that's good, keep doing that. Once again, there is a bleak day for the Hearts of Iron 4 community. Just as I found the sweet spot where the Germans cannot push me any further, and just as I started to chip away at the German manpower, the game just refuses to work any further. It just keeps crashing at midnight. I restarted the game, I tried everything I could, but I cannot make it work. And it's also 3 AM, so I am sick of it. So just pretend I actually conquered Germany. It wouldn't even be that hard from here. Berlin is just here. So thank you everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed this failure of a video. I promise that the next one is gonna be way better. So tune in next time. And as always, I would like to thank my Patreons for supporting me every single month. Flossie, Tommy Leawan, Arctic, CJ, Madra, Devante, Thunder TV, Grongwegs, Windows Mistake Edition, Gates Liquor and Connoisseur. Adios, and until next time, don't forget, you will never know if I am behind you until you actually turn around. So sleep well tonight.